worried because we know that the people are with us. And we know that in Kogi State, in the last 8 years, it has not been the best for you. And we know that as you cast your votes, you are ready to defend your votes. So we thank you in advance. Particularly those of you from the Kogi Central, please do not be scared of whatever the APC may do. You must stand and defend your votes, because we know that with the will of the people, we'll be able to deliver Nigeria once again. We have suffered in the last 8 years, and PDP has brought a master in politics, somebody with great experience, Atiku Abubakar, as our presidential candidate and the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We know that he's a man with great experience. He's unlike the other candidates, very much unlike them. And when you have a nation that is troubled, as Nigeria is today, you can only present the best if you want solutions to the problems that we have. Nigeria is so divided today. That is not the Nigeria of our dream. Neither is it the Nigeria of our choice. We have to change it together, and we must work together to deliver the votes for us to be able to have a greater and a better country for ourselves. Definitely, with the experience as Vice President, Atiku Abubakar is able to handle the insecurity problems and the problems that bedevil our economy. He is best positioned to take charge and to turn things around for the good of each and every one of us. Nobody is happy that people are so poor today. Nobody is happy that many of our youths don't even have a place to work and they go to bed hungry. That is the Nigeria, that is not the Nigeria of our dream. So we must be ready to cause a change, the positive change, not the change of 2015. So please rise up, call up all those who are around you, in your communities, in the markets, in your villages, call them up to go with you on February 25 to go and cast their votes, because we need to deliver Nigeria together. And that must come through our PVCs and our votes. Once you do that, you definitely have voted for a secure Nigeria. You voted for a Nigeria where you can have jobs. A Nigeria that will take care of the children, take care of our youths, and take care of our women. We will no longer go back to bed hungry. APC government has inflicted a lot of wound to us today. All we must do is to get them to pack their loads and go. APC must pack their load and go. But as we are asking them to pack their loads and go, we must be prepared with our PDC so that we can truly drive them away. APC pack and go, pack and go, APC pack and go, pack and go, APC pack and go, pack and go, APC pack and go, pack and go. To achieve that, you must be ready with your PDC. You must be ready to go from house to house to truly get them to pack and go.